So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can combine PDFs in your Mac. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So without delaying, let's get right into the video. Let's go ahead and open Finder, and once you're there, just find the PDF that you want to combine. And now once you find them, just hold your command button together. And now, so once you right click, now just go ahead and tap on quick actions and select this option that says create PDF. And now guys, you have successfully combined the two PDFs. Just go ahead and check them, and there you go. You can find both of these PDFs in the same PDF that you just created. Well guys, that's how you combine PDFs in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.